Normally I shouldn't be awake at this time because it's a weekend, yeah. But we're expecting a guest. Yeah. I've showered, I'm dressed, I'm just putting on this my ankara, and I have to put on a wig. I have to put on a wig because my hair is really, I don't want to be looking. Anyways, I'm in the kitchen now to make breakfast. Isabella is up. You want to say hello?
Hello, I'm also making video.
You're making video?
Yeah.
So, I think we're going to be having... we're going to be having sausages this morning. Yes, sausage roll. So I'm going to make sausage roll for us this morning. And we'll have it with hot chocolate drink or if I want to have tea.
Hot chocolate.
Yeah, hot chocolate drink.
We haven't like put the deep hot.
So basically, what have we done now? We've had breakfast. We've had breakfast. The kids have just showered, so I just want to get them dressed now. It's 9:35, so we should be expecting Salad Master team any moment from now. Yeah. Sammy, look at this boy. Daddy went to the barber's shop to cut his hair. Isabella, Daddy went to the barber's shop to cut his hair, so he should be back, say, after 10. Yeah. Yeah. Like 10:30, should be back. So he would join us anyways. We're not the ones cooking, we're just there to taste and give our review, basically. So, put blibbies. I think you put blibbies. Oh, you say you enjoy blibbies too, so put blibbies for both of you. Now. So guys, there's nothing more to do. The kids are ready for the day, dressed and all. So it's 9:50 now. So we're just going to wait for them. I hope they don't do African time. So yeah, 10 more minutes and they should be here. I'll just get busy on my computer. Maybe edit a video. Oh god, this children have started. Sabala, I said you need to put a cartoon that you and your brother will enjoy. The one that you're putting that he doesn't like it. But blippies, you told me that you like blippies as well. So put more than blippies. But what about Samuel?
My tab.
Where is the tab?
Upstairs.
Then go and bring it. Samuel, please. No, this is my work phone, please. Isabella is bringing tab for you.
2,000 years later.
Beautiful couple. Say hello. Say hello.
My name is Tolu.
Isabella, come and sit.
What's your name?
Come and sit with me.
Bumi. Cynthia.
Yeah.
Tunde. Okay. Thank you. Okay.
That's surprising.
That's why I play games.
So I'd just like to meet all of you briefly, but I'll start by telling you about myself. I'm a support worker, currently on maternity leave. I've got 2 beautiful daughters. One is currently 4 months old. Do I look like a nursing mom?
No.
Thank you. I'll be showing you, I'm a Salad Master Health Advocate, okay? And Salad Master has helped me to trim down to what I am right now, okay? But I'll go into details of that later on. So today, we'll be preparing you, we'll be treating you with a healthy meal, okay? Fried rice, steamed veggies, salad, healthy chocolate, cake, because you'll be infused with vegetables and fruits, and crispy chicken. What's your priority in terms of nutrition, flavor, speed, cost? Which would you prioritize? Nutrition, flavor, speed, or cost?
Pepe.
So that's flavor.
That's flavor.
Yes.
So that's
Spicy,
flavor.
yes.
That's okay. It goes. It works. It works.
We are ahead of the game.
Exactly. Exactly. You are.
So please, can you write our name for it?
I'll buy you a book now. You will.
It's true.
That's a very
Oh, when you go.
You stay in Bangkok.
You look very familiar.
You stay in Bangkok. Yes.
Experts say if you lose the color, you lose the vitamins. And if you lose the flavor, you lose the minerals. How does that taste? Please tell me.
Terrible.
Please tell me.
Bumia, and why is your mouth like that?
Taste it. Eat it. It's not poison.
no taste.
What did I add?
Water.
Just cold water. Talk less of when we boil it on the cooker. I like you, supportive husband. You know your wife.
Because I make money from it. Because I know if you make money is not your purpose business. Chicken change.
You like onions?
Yeah, no, I don't like seeing them in my food.
You like
So I always chop it very tiny because I have to see the size I like.
What can swallow the kidney up on you now? The kidney don't have to grab the goosey.
In the market.
Swag it up. Swag it up. Okay? Just to get all. Yeah. Maybe now in the before the way you talk for this house. I don't mean the success. Because they collect.
No. Just the turning of the swallows.
Wow.
That's good.
Air frying.
Sneak peek.
Sneak peek. Wait now.
Take it off the other side.
Obamimo. Ani ẹ̀jẹ̀ wò.
What's the video
Oh, your
reaction?
little face.
Their faces.
It's not normal color board.
It's not as bad as I thought.
Really? Only one spoon you gave me, you have finished it. Only one spoon.
Chinese experts say if you lose color, you lose vitamins. If you lose flavor, you're losing the minerals.
I've been vegan, I've been vegetarian.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Maybe too big.
Toothpick. Okay.
How does that taste? See the way I was with
yourself now.
I said I will be eating and you'll be clearing up for me.
The
He said no comment. No comment.
Food is ready.
We should try it and put more cream on our own and see how it is.
See them. Look at them.
Oh my lord.
Mommy, what did you say your fear is? Your future fear? Hey, I forgot to.
Bumi, forget that one.
I'm sorry, people. I forgot to show you this.
Oh, our egg. Cowboy egg. Wow.
Are you serious?
It was inside. I was like, I have not shown you people.
Without water.
What makes sense?
Without water.
What makes sense?
You were all here.
You.
If I had narrated it to
You
you,
see.
you say na lie. Na lie. They're lying.
You see what you talk? We said we have food we want to cook for you guys too. You want to taste this small
No, I
bamba?
don't. Knowledge is power. I'm not doing that again.
Hey.
Thank you.
Gang.
What's your? When you fish in there, let's sit down. Let's sit down. Wait for the food. The food is coming, okay?
No, we
This is the rice they be like. Eat chicken now. It's your mom's food. You have right to eat it. Because of you, your mother knows. Eat out.
It's hot.
Give me your love.
Chicken is sweet. You want the chicken? Chicken is sweet.
Taste your gun, the great you feel chicken.
Come on, eat better.
Chicken is nice. The rice is sweet. This isn't too soup on the rice. Pour soup on top.
No, it's not the chop one.
My boo.
Your boo? You want egg? You want rice? Did I see rice? Yeah, eat egg.
Samsung. Do you like a chicken?
Chicken. I didn't.
My 2-year-old only eats chicken. First time I did it in bad boy.
Are you serious?
Yeah, before then she only ate.
And this one loves chicken now. I eat 10 chicken in a day. Thank you.
Chicken is nice.
How me have 2 bones?
Yeah, great body chicken. That's very nice. That's chicken. So we need.
I have cake.
Cake.
Cake. Do you like the cake?
Yes. Okay.
Cake is ready.
My cake is ready.
And with 2 3
Yes, Sammy,
pounds.
put the bone here.
Cake.
7, 8, 8.
Bella, did you finish your chicken?
We're going to cut it anyway.
Sammy,
Bella, did you finish your chicken?
chicken.
Where is your chicken?
I don't want chicken.
Sammy,
Where is it?
No, just take one.
Where did you put it? Where did you put that chicken?
Let me cut this.
See.
Oh,
Yeah. Highlight of today.
better than the chicken, better than the salad, better
better than the
everything.
chicken.
Better than everything. This is the best.
Oh wow. It's nice. Thank
This is
you.
the best. All this other one are just chop.
No, the chicken is not.
No,
Even the rice.
No, this is this one.
After
No.
this, the chicken.
No, we are not saying the other one are not good, but
The icing on the cake for
and as
you.
the hot, eat on like this, you really enjoy
The
it.
icing
This
on
is
the
the
cake for
best.
you.
No.
Can you believe that? No
There
oil,
is nothing here.
no oil, no margarine.
Real good.
It was in front of you, right?
I'm more for vanilla. I like vanilla.
There's no vanilla now. There's no vanilla.
No, as in he prefers the normal regular sponge, right?
Normally, I don't even eat cake.
No vanilla.
Normally, cake with it, I don't eat chocolate.
Cake is nice.
Ah.
It's sugar. I
Cake
don't
is
like.
nice.
I run away from sugar. I'm very sugar.
That what you have said. Somebody say I'm scared of something. You did not mention sugar.
Because is it sugary?
No, that was this is the best cake. I think eat this one. Cake, I cannot eat cake, but this one. You can eat this one. I eat cake.
Very nice.
Yeah, nice.
This cake too should have this one now.
2 hours later.
Guys, so what's the time? It's 2:40. 20 minutes to 3 now. 20 minutes to 3 now. We're on our way. We're on our way out. The salad master team left about, what time did they leave? Let's say like 2 o'clock. Yeah, I said 2 o'clock. It was a nice experience. It was fun. Yeah, it was fun. It was fun. The food wasn't bad, to be honest. So like I said in during the session, I said if my mom was there, she would have enjoyed it, she would have loved it. The no salt, minimal salt thing and all of that, cooking with no oil and everything. It was nice. I think what stood out for us was the cake, right? It's cake, yeah. So the cake and then the chicken wasn't bad. Surprisingly, without any seasoning, chicken wasn't bad. The rice was the third. I didn't really enjoy the salad. I don't really like cabbage. So if I want to eat salad, I have to eat it with coleslaw. I can have cabbage and all of the vegetables, but it has to be with salad cream. Sorry, it has to be with salad cream or mayonnaise. So I did enjoy that. Yeah. It was a nice experience, really. So we are on our way. Like I said, we should be there in about 20 minutes. I think we might be like 3 minutes late African time. So the sun is sunning. I didn't want to fly my hair. I didn't want to like fly out my hair like this. I wanted to pack it, but Alma said I look. What's the word you said? What was the word? What was the word? I can't remember. I'm still didn't come from your heart. Anyways, he said I look good. I don't know. I can't remember the word you used. But yeah, so as I'm leaving out my hair like this, or something tells me that I'm going to pack it later, because I have my pocket on my wrist. So I'll talk to you guys later. No, I think I'll end the vlog here. Yeah, I think I'll end the vlog here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.